Come on, Mouse. Now, don't be scared.
I'm not scared.
Must be a way to get in here. Check all these doors real quick.
All right. This is a pretty house. Oh, boy, look at the pretty flowers.
You know, this kind of job ain't easy.
No.
Sometimes it's very unsafe. But they made this job real easy for us. Look out, there's a ski here. Be careful.
Thank you, Harry. You're a gentleman to point it out.
Wonder where the other one is. What'd you do, Mouse?
I found the other skate. Where's the light?
Yeah, try to find the light switch. We gotta get this place cleaned up. This is a mess. Thanks, Mouse. Now we can see where we're going. Oh. Gone. You see that lamp cord clear across the length of the room? This lamp belongs on a table nearest the plug. And you see, this cord should always be close to the ground. Down over the... Ah!
Harry,
Yeah.
what about all these toys?
Yeah, this place is really ridiculous. You know, it's just too unsafe to rob. We got to get it cleaned up. Now, you take this side, and I'll take that side.
All right, I take the chest with me. And we'll start picking up the toys. 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 Picking up the toys.
Just a minute, Mouse. Safety is serious business.
Yeah.
Well, I guess safety can be fun, too. Okay, Mouse, now let's go check out the rest of the house. Harry! Mouse, this house is a total disaster area. We gotta get this place cleaned up or we'll never get nothing done. Come on, let's go.
Harry.
All right.
Oh, what a mess.
Try to get as much cleaned up as you can. That's right.
Get off.
Here. What? Wait a minute. Something else here. It's a door. Might be something in here. Let me check it.
Oh, Harry.
Quiet. Not so much noise. Find the light switch here. It's not there. Must be on this side.
Whoa. Oh, yeah.
Iron. No, Mouse. Not the... Iron.
Iron? Oh! Harry.
Look at this. A hot iron left out like this. And look at this. Nice children's clothes all burned up. Do you realize a hot iron like this could burn down a whole house?
No.
All right. Sit down, Mouse. We'll take care of it.
Oh, Harry. Oh, Harry.
All right. Come on, Mouse. We'll find a bathroom and put something on it. Come on.
Oh, thank you, Harry. Oh, Harry, the towel. It almost burned. The heater's on.
Come here, Mouse. I'll give you a couple of aspirin for the pain in your hand.
Oh, it's all right, Harry.
Aspirin raspberry flavored.
I got orange flavor.
And bubblegum flavored. Why, this is very dangerous, Mouse. Children will read this and they'll think it's candy, and they'll take more than they should have. And you should never take more than what it says on a bottle. Let's get all this stuff on the top shelf.
Right, Harry. Hey, look.
Huh?
Look.
What's that? Why, that's poison, Mouse. And right here in the bottom shelf. Why, any kid could get a hold of this.
You could kill yourself.
Yeah, you know it shouldn't be here at all? All right, now look, Mouse. I'm not going to give you anything for the pain in your hand, because there's no telling what's really in any of these bottles.
Would you kiss it for me, Harry? Harry! Where are you, Harry? Where am I, Harry? Oh! Harry! Harry! Oh, my goodness. Paint thinner, mineral spirits, turpentine, dirty rags. Harry! Harry, come quick, Harry!
Mouse,
Is that you, Harry?
what are you doing in here? Put out that match. Well, that's a very dangerous thing to do. Look at these matches all over the floor. You shouldn't be playing with matches in here. Why, these people have left paint thinner, rags, and you playing with matches could burn the whole place down. Here, take this and let's go. And Mouse, never play with matches. Just be very careful. Oh, wait a minute. I came up against something here. It's a door. What's this? Oh, a kitchen. Well.
Hey, let's have a midnight snack.
Well, never mind about that now, Mouse. Just look at this octopus. All these cords in one plug.
Gee,
Oh, this cord goes to the blender.
this the pressure cooker.
There's one to the waffle
And
iron.
the frying pan.
And one to the blender.
Oh, this is an awful mess. Harry, look at that knife sticking up over there. A person could stab themselves on it.
This whole house is unsafe.
Yeah.
You know, it makes it real tough for us to do any kind of a job under these working conditions. Well, there's nothing to do but get this place cleaned up. Okay, Mouse, that cleans up the house. Let's hit the lights.
I got this one, Harry. Here's the switch.
Well, Mouse, it took us a long time, but we finally did it. We made this house safe. Now let's do what we came for. Let's rob the joint. Hey, they're coming back. We better get out of here. Come on.
Wait for me.
I'm getting into a new line of work, Harry.
Yeah, this house is too unsafe to rob.